danger!
Let's do this, Vegeta!
Damn you!
This is a power greater than that of a Super Saiyan God!
I'm going to have fun destroying you!
Let's do this.
Well, I'm impressed. See you around.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. Bruh.
I'm in danger!
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air.